This is a tutorial on how to accomplish your best final English writing assignment. Hello everyone. In this tutorial, you will find that there are two important things to accomplish. First is to have your unit writing done, and second is to finish your magazine containing articles from various lessons. Presenting your idea. As you have managed choosing the suitable title close to your heart, here is some guidance so that things will not go south. Final product. As the final product is a compiled magazine along with other lessons, English needs 2 pages face-to-face so that it is easier to read and comprehend, thus encourages the teacher to give good grades. Make sure that every lesson is well laid out. To fill the blank pages, use advertisement or other images. The content of English article expresses each student's interests and is different from one another. For example, A chooses tips how to take care of their running shoes. B is allowed to choose tips how to take care of their sweat shoes. What's inside the article? By answering these guiding question words, you will be able to construct a good and genuine article. What are the question words? They all would be what, when, why, where, and how. Things to remember. 1. Being on time in submitting. 2. No branding mentioned. 3. No mentioning real price tag, just the price range, please. 4. Only 25% talking about the topic you choose, and the rest is your experience with it. 5. Provide 2 images, no more, no less, and occupy only 25% of each page. Last, word count is between 200 and 225 words. Now it's time to start the layout. When you have every content and image, you may start the layout and then submit the 2-page PDF, or you might be able to do the other way around. For example, you make the arrangement inside the Canva and then you supply the articles and then the images. The last checkpoint. Submission is to be synchronized with the school schedule. February 6 to 7, 2024 is to submit writing in Word file inside the Drive folder. March 9, 2024 is to submit writing in PDF file and magazine file inside the Drive folder. Let's talk about the things to be graded then. For the writing, first is your being on time. Second, the content, 200 and 225 words. And then the 25% and 75% content. Next is your spelling and whatnot, and the last is about providing 2 images, no more no less. And about the layout, first is about being on time again, Next is the 2 pages face-to-face. Next one is to provide 2 images, no more no less. Only 25% are allowed for image. Next is about the sensible margin size and also the information of your name and then the name of the lessons. That will concern about the header and the footer. This page is dedicated for the sample brainstorming activity. For example, my article is about sewing for life. My question for the wall is about types of sewing. So in this question, I will write down what types of sewing that I know. Example, the manual one using the fingers or using the machine. And then for the when, since what age I got to know sewing, and then where, I will not say or I will not ask about where I studied or I learned. Instead, I will try to ask where do I get my materials from. And for the question how, it's about my style and comfortable cloth concerning my body. And then for the question why in the first place my mom taught me to sew by myself. Still about the brainstorming ideas for writing, if you like this type of brainstorming, then you can fill it with your own topic on the next page. Now we have come to the second thing to accomplish. Yes, correct. Compiling the articles from various lessons into one magazine. To arrange your magazine, you need to make sure that these items will fall into correct order. First is the front cover, front and back, and then inside and outside. The next is your graduation letter, and the next is the editor's page. This is about you. And then the table of content containing all of the content inside your magazine. Next is about the lessons. You can put the lessons into alphabetical or into anything that you like. So there's no rules for this. And then the back cover containing the inside and the outside cover. Well, this is the English final assignment, but this is not your end of journey. Your journey starts when you graduate from school. Best wishes, everyone.